What's up, YouTube? Today
Testing.
Today we have
System ready.
Today we have another task yet set ahead of us. It's raining outside, unfortunately, but basically I'm picking up the stuff today, and I'm gonna pick up the money right now from the bank, and then I'm gonna go over to Sheldon's house, Mr. Sheldy as he is on Instagram, and I'm gonna pick up the wide body fenders and the wheels.
Damn, looking like a whole stack. Green, I made a hot chart.
E-receipts, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, Max, you're all set.
Thank you so very much. Woo. Okay, my umbrella is completely jacked. Oh well. Oh man. It's broken, guys. It's broken. Woo! Alrighty, got all the money from the bank. So, I guess what I need to do now is head on over to their house. Hopefully they're ready for me. Alrighty, guys, so I just stopped by my friend Magnus's house. Shout out to Magnus for letting me borrow his welder. Just got it back in there. Don't know if you can see. Got the welder, and then I got the mask up there. It's just like a cheap $150 one, but I figured it's better than that. I had a couple people that had them. I had a more expensive one, but it was slightly broken for whatever reason, and it basically what it did is what the welder did is it made like little spurts. Like, you know when you don't have a clean weld, it like makes it like all a little spotty, and like it still welds, but it's not good at all, and it doesn't look good. Well, that's what the really good welder is doing, because it's slightly broken, and I figured I'd rather go with the crappy welder and have it. I'd rather try with the crappy one and try and get it better than do the better one that's broken, if that makes sense. I feel like I'd have better luck. Alrighty, guys, time to head over to Sheldon's house. Got the cash. He should be getting back from breakfast right about now, and then I can pick up the parts and can start installing it, guys. Let's get to this. Look how clean that is. Oh, shoot. LS 350 in the driveway. And it's raining out, which you guys can't probably see. Looks so clean, guys.
Yo, what the hell are you driving?
What the fuck are you wearing right now, dude?
You need to go back to fucking France.
Dang, dude. No, I don't know.
Hey, should I go to that bike shop or do I need to go there anymore? No.
I don't know, I'm trying to think. I'm like...
Can't get out of here. You're chilling. Thing, guys, just got the kit loaded up. I'm surprised it actually fit in here. Glad I didn't bring a passenger though, because they wouldn't have anywhere to sit, which is kind of funny. But got all this legit stuff from oh, fudge nuggets. I hate doing that. Always freaking do that. Always do that.
Testing.
There we go, guys. Alrighty, guys. I'll see you guys back at my house. Alrighty. Take this bad boy out. See how it looks. Dang. I mean, very rough, but dang, that's gonna look sick. It's gonna add a lot of space. Dang, guys. I'm really hyped on this. This is gonna look so good, guys. That's gonna look so good, guys. Dang, guys. So, me being a big dummy, forgot that it goes in the cabin too. So my cabin's completely smoked out. That's kind of funny. My entire cabin, look at this. Dang. I've never had this. Oh shit! There's a fucking fire. Oh shit. 1 second, guys. I need something to get this out. Shit. How do I get this out? Water. Shit. Fuck. Shit. Oh my freaking gosh. Holy crap. Fudge. There's still fire. Fuck. Essentially, guys, just going over this, hopefully make it less bad. Basically cleaned over here slightly. Basically went in here, started to melt this from the heat. Just really dumb, because I just installed these yesterday, boys. Alrighty, guys, just cut it. So now I need to make little things so I can fold it back and weld it to this. Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, I cut all these nice little flaps in here, so you can just start bending them up like that, basically. Just finished welding it, guys. Looks okay, not bad for my first welds ever. This plastic thing broke, and it was getting dirt inside, so I just started welding this thing on. I have to weld on this other side still, but yeah, I basically used part of the fender and just cut it and just threw it on. I actually might be able to use this part. No, it's too small. Maybe this one? Yeah, I'll cut this and put it on there, and then this side will be done. Alright, guys, just finished now. Everything is 100% sealed up, even underneath. Oh man, that took a lot longer than I expected. So now this just is gonna go on. Not right now, because I don't have the hardware, but It's essentially gonna look like that. It's gonna look sick. Just finished up welding this. This looks pretty good. The fender over it looks immaculate. So now that I've finished that, gotta cut the front fender, take this like reflectors tape and basically make a level from the top of the Z across, and that's how I'm gonna measure it so that it's equal on both sides. Careful, guys.